Hey guys, are you uncertain how to properly maintain your suede leather boots, shoes, bags, or even jackets? Today I'm going to be showing you how to quickly and easily care for your leather. Let's get to it. My name is Evan, where it's my goal to share with you the tools and skills needed to love your leather. Now when it comes to suede, I'd say a lot of you out there may be apprehensive. Why? Because caring for suede is completely different than cleaning smooth leather, even though they're both leather. Now I already have a full tutorial on how to clean heavily soiled suede where I go in quite a bit of detail, but for the purposes of this quick clean, I just wanted to show how to maintain and keep suede looking the way that it should. As we look at this black suede, we see that there really isn't any discoloration or significant damage to the leather, but there is quite a bit of dust, debris, and even hair. This is because suede fibers naturally attract and grab onto particles floating in the air, especially lint from clothes in your closet. And it especially shows on black suede. This is why it's so important to regularly brush your suede as you wear it. So today we're using a simple suede brush that is gentle yet firm enough to sweep off those particles. Let's get to brushing. You may be wondering what the proper way to brush suede leather is, and it's really more about being thorough than anything. It doesn't really matter what direction that you brush in, as long as that the direction you are brushing in is removing the debris that you want to get off. In addition, I'd suggest not applying too much pressure, as that can lead to ruining the fibers, but light to firm pressure is best. If the gentle brush isn't cutting the job, it probably means that there's a more difficult substance that attached itself onto the leather, and this is where using a suede rubber brush or a suede eraser comes into play. Using a rubber brush is great for lifting up the nap of your suede, especially if you accidentally get any type of liquid, including water, onto your suede. Additionally, if you have to do a full suede restoration where you do use a liquid suede cleaner, you'll definitely want a rubber brush to completely re-nap those fibers in order to bring that soft suede feel back. Now, if you're in a situation where you have faded suede, that is a condition issue, not a cleanliness issue, and no brush or suede eraser is able to cure that. But you can actually re-dye your suede to bring back some life, and I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description below where I cover everything you'll need to know how to do that. However, if you do run into some stubborn dirt or marks on your suede, the suede eraser can do magic because it uses a light abrasive to rub off the substances from your suede and transfer it onto the fibers of the eraser. Once it sheds off, simply brush your suede off once more and you should be good to go. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll keep it quick and simple. Let me know what you guys want to see next in the comments. Thank you so much to our sponsor, ShoeMGK. Feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. And remember to love your leather.